YouTube is changing forever. And I know this because I've been dabbling with this for a very long time. And to see how everything is completely changing to where it's like someone says, create a thumbnail. The other one says, you got to make sure your thumbnail has the message so people can click on the title, or the title needs to be like this in capital letters, and it gets all crazy. Like, who is right? Well, I'm here to tell you today that thumbnails are not needed anymore. Stay with me. Let's go. So I'm Lemmy Moore, and I have several YouTube channels, and learning that each channel is not created equal. And if you are starting out with your YouTube channel right now and you're not getting any type of love from the Google algorithm, I'm here to tell you that it's okay. And I would say that it could be your thumbnail. Yeah, most people would say that in the past, or they would say it could be your title. Now, titles in your video is going to let people know exactly what's going on. But I have seen titles in videos that look like a third grader has just written it out and just went with the flow. But they're getting clicks. And today we're going to talk about the rules of thumbnails that are not needed anymore. It's like the shift with thumbnails are gone. So let's take a look at this. And I'm going to show you this because this is a person who posted online with the thumbnail about 3 months ago. And this video is not really doing anything. It's just a guy in the mountains talking about why he quit his neuroscience, brain surgery, whatever job. Okay. So let's just check this out. So as you can see, this right here is a channel that it's called Gooby and Doobie, or should I say that right? Yeah, Gooby and Doobie. And this is a guy who's just talking about how he just quit his job and all that. Let's check it out.
Oh, I became a doctor to help people. And I remember at the beginning of medical school, when I was just starting, there was a ceremony, and we all took a Hippocratic oath. And I remember there was one of the older faculty docs, and he said that your job as doctors is to relieve suffering. It's not to do a surgery or give a pill. It's to relieve suffering. That might be from doing a surgery or a pill, but it might be just listening, acknowledging what someone's going through.
Now, I want you to understand something here. This goes on for 45 minutes. And if you haven't seen it, this video is over 13 million views. That was 3 months ago. No thumbnail, just a guy in the mountains. There's bugs while he's talking, and he sits and talks to this 45. I remember the first time I came across this video, I was like, what? And for 20 minutes, I realized I had to snap out of it because I was not interested in this. But here's my point. When you bring something on like a video like this, and it leaves an imagination. Here's a guy in the mountains. Why is he in the mountains? Okay. And then his title is, I was an MIT educated neurosurgeon. Now I'm unemployed and I'm living alone in the woods. How did I get here? How genius is that? Like, really, how did he get there? And so some people want to know his story. No thumbnail, folks. Now, this is just one person. I'm seeing a trend of no thumbnails all day long. Let's go to the next person, and let's just look this up right now. We're going to just do this live right here, and I'm going to put in, Yep. Let's see here. All right. This lady right here. I did it wrong. Right here. This is a lady who's doing YouTube right now. No thumbnail. I did a video about car videos. And I was talking to my buddy Sloan how I can't stand car videos. But car videos are working these days. Look at this. She had a couple of videos about finally monetize my channel and all that, but she kept pushing at it. And you can see no thumbnails. If we go to her channel right now, which we're going to do, we're going to show you. She has no thumbnails like everyone else. They're just plain. Look at this. All of them. 45,000 subscribers. And she's just starting. Her message is amazing. Her message is so amazing. And as you can see, folks, look at that. No special thumbnails. They're just her looking. Look at the views. 8,000, 6,000, 2,000, 11,000. You know what I mean? And the titles are just all in lower caps. She's not the only one. A lot of people, especially those who are, let's just see, let's just try this, 40. So we have this girl right here. There are countless others that are doing this. So what's your point, Lim? The point is, this is what we need to start doing right here. And I advise everyone to start testing this right now. There is a rule in the YouTube world that you are supposed to create a thumbnail, but I honestly don't think it's needed anymore. Do you have to have a lot of followers or a lot of subscribers to get that recognition? That's a great question. That, I'm just being honest, I don't know. Could I get away with a no thumbnail in my channels, one of my big channels that have over 200,000 subscribers? Yes, I could. I could do that. But as I start out with this channel right here, that is brand spanking new, 25 videos strong, could I possibly get away with that? I don't think so. But I'm here to say that's not going to mean I'm not going to try it, because I'm going to try and push the algorithm to its hardest on YouTube. And I'm going to make sure that if these rules are no longer needed for the algorithm or for people, then I'm going to test it. Now, I do know this. I just saw a video like this. It was about a woman who was talking about ageless beauty. And it said that she had, sorry guys, just being real, braless, whatever, no see-through. That was the title. But her picture was just her with the background with trees and her standing there in a dress. Nothing was said on the thumbnail, no words or anything. But that was also millions of views. That brings up the question, is YouTube changing? Is it changing for everyone? Because with shorts, I know there are sometimes on YouTube shorts you don't need a thumbnail, and sometimes you can't create a thumbnail, but to get those attentions of those who are not really interested in what you're doing, you have to create a little imagination of what's going on in that video. Do we need thumbnails anymore? I'm thinking there's a shift that's coming, and we all need to be prepared for that shift, because if we don't need thumbnails anymore, do you know how great that's going to be? Because it takes hours to create one thumbnail. And yes, there's AI generated software that can help you do that too. Or there's people that you can actually hire to do. But I will say this, if thumbnails are no longer needed, then everyone has the advantage to make it on YouTube. I mean, everyone. Then we can all just go back to just focusing on that good old title. You know what I mean? That's it. Hey, thanks for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you're a seasoned vet with YouTube or you're just starting out, let me know if this is true. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm 8 subscribers deep. I'm looking for at least 20,000 on this channel before the year is over with. Let's see if we can do it.